Hi everyone, welcome to Anji Maths channel. Let us discuss a simple and interesting question from the progressions. The question is, if the ratio of sum of first n terms of two APCs 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27, find the ratio of their mth terms. So here you are given by the ratio of sum of first m terms of two APs. So let the sums, that is sums of first n terms be Sn, S dash n be the sums of first n terms, sums of first n terms of first EAP and second EAP. Small a comma capital A be their first terms and small d comma capital D be the common difference respectively. So for the first EAP, first term is A, common difference is D, sum of n terms is Sn. For the second term, for the second EAP, first term is capital A, common difference is capital D, sum of n terms is S dash n. Now you are given by the ratio of sum of first n terms, that is Sn by S dash n is equal to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. From this you have to find, let us have a caution about what you need to find, that is ratio of mth terms. Let it be the am over a dash m. This is ratio of mth terms, that is a plus m minus 1 times d by capital A plus m minus 1 times capital D. So you have to keep it in mind. We are going to find the ratio of these two terms. Now let us expand this equation. Sn, sum of n terms formula, n by 2 into 2 times first term is A plus n minus 1 times common difference D by n by 2 into 2 times first term plus n minus 1 times common difference is equal to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. n by 2 gets cancelled. Let us go for the next step. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a, sorry, no need to do the time waste. Take 2 common here. If you take 2 common here, a plus n minus 1 by 2 times d by a plus n minus 1 by 2 times capital D is equal to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. 2 gets cancelled. Now let us carefully observe here. What is this ratio? This ratio simply looks like the required ratio. The only difference is here you need m minus 1. So in the place of n minus 1 by 2, if you can get m minus 1, that's all. You are done with the required ratio. If you can make the necessary changes in RHS, you will get the ratio. So let us take n minus 1 by 2 as m minus 1. Put or take n minus 1 by 2 as m minus 1. Then what happens? Let us see. N minus 1 is equal to quotient RHS, it will multiply the terms 2 into m, 2m minus 2, that is n is equal to 2m minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. So if you replace n minus 1 by 2 with m minus 1, then n value becomes 2m minus 1. Then what will be the next step? Let us see. 2a plus n minus 1 by 2 is replaced by m minus 1. m minus 1 times d by 2 times there is no 2a. a plus n minus 1 by 2 is replaced by m minus 1 into capital D is equal to, carefully observe here, 7n. n should be 2m minus 1 because as we have taken n minus 1 by 2, then corresponding n value becomes 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 plus 1, 4 times n means 2m minus 1 plus 27, which implies this is mth term of first AP, a dash m, let it be a dash m, that is mth term of second AP. 7 2 ja 14m, 7 1 ja 7, minus 7 plus 1 by 4 2 ja 8m minus 4 plus 27. So almost we are done with the problem. Last step, that is ratio of mth terms am by a dash m is equal to 14m minus 7 plus 1, 14m minus 6 by 8m minus 4 plus 27, that is plus 23. So if the ratio of sum of first n terms of two APs is 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27, then ratio of their mth term should be 14m minus 6 by 8m plus 23. Thank you. I hope you understand.